Proceeding further, let's see what are we gonna do. Again, you have to put the imprints like this. Keep on making these, and with the help of lovely green, yellow, purple, these circular thick thin brushes, you have to give the imprints in this manner. Let's see what in the end are we going to get. Keep on giving these imprints one over the other with the help of different shades of color, and you will get an amazing result in the end. Yes, this is going to give your art a different look, a different vibe. Yes, you're surely gonna enjoy, and in the end you can decorate further by making these green circular structures and then the leaves around. Yes, this is gonna look damn amazing. You can give it another final touch by giving it another shade of green color. Thank you so much. Now you have to take a slate, and with the help of chalk you have to draw this jar, and you can just decorate further with the help of earbuds. You can just put the imprints as well and the shadow. In it you have to, with the help of your paintbrush and thin paintbrush, you have to make the stems and then these imprints of circular with the help of earbuds. Keep on putting these and you will get an amazing lovely result. Again, with the help of another white color, you have to put the imprints like this of white shade. Isn't it looking damn amazing and pretty? You can further decorate it by making some bees and all over the other on all the sides to make it look realistic, and in the end you can give it final touch